find out maybe.
Nothing, are you gonna want chuletas?
And I'm the boss over
No?
here. That's right, I'm the boss over here. So please stick around and get to know us and help us grow. This is our
Run a
humble
cleaning
family.
cycle that takes like 3 hours. Well, basically, I need to run a cleaning cycle. There it is.
Bienvenidos a nuestra
And
casa.
flush it out. Then I'm gonna run it for a bit after that.
Y Dios te cocina, por favor, miren. Si les gusta ver a una familia humilde divirtiéndose junta, por favor, miren. Si les gusta el contenido latinoamericano, por favor, miren. Mi nombre es Liliana y soy la que manda aquí. Así es, soy la que manda aquí. Así que por favor quédense, conózcanos y ayúdenos a crecer. Esta es nuestra familia humilde.
So today I put out the weekend vlog and I watched it to make sure that it looked okay, and then I forgot to put
Ay, ay, ay,
in
ay,
on.
amigos
So
y
that's
amigas.
for, you know, a drink like this. It's like $2 but there is no added sugar. It uses stevia. And they have lemon, and they have this red raspberry, and they have a pineapple mango one. All three of those are really, really good. So if you want something 0 calories and it tastes pretty decent and can get you through like something like I'm doing right now, these are a really good option. You can see 0 calories and there are the ingredients. So I put some on the table. But that was my favorite. Then the lemon and then the pineapple. But once I do that, I'm
No,
gonna
you need to
start
let the
adding this.
controls charge. You need to let the controls charge.
I need to be in like a quick workout. I need to get some kind of movement because that has had me all over.
No, I said no.
But I had another.
I know you hear me. I said no.
So that feels really good. I can tell the difference in how I feel already. I feel lighter. I feel like my clothes fit a little bit different today. I've had this sweater problem for maybe 2 years, and today is the first day that I wore it, and I felt. Well, today was the first time that I wore it.
Check if Lisa's not watching it. She's not watching yet.
I look bad. Anyway, I'm gonna fix the end screen, and then I'm gonna get in some kind of movement, and I'm gonna shower, and then I'm gonna start the edit for this, and it should be out Saturday, no later than Sunday. I'm trying to get into a routine for when I upload, because I heard that helps YouTube as well if you post on the same day. I don't know, but I'm also just trying to do the best I can because I have amped up my posting schedule. So anyway, that is the plan for the rest of tonight. If I feel like something is worthy of including in this vlog, then I'll fix it together. So, all right, let's get to the rest of this.
Welcome to our house. This is our humble family. If you like to see cooking videos, please watch. If you like to see a humble family having fun together, please watch. If you like to see Latin American content, please watch. My name is Liliana, and I'm the boss over here. That's right, I'm the boss over here. So please stick around and get to know us and help us grow. This is our humble family. Ay, 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 amigos y amigas. Bienvenidos a nuestra casa. Esta es nuestra.
Okay, y'all, it's the next day. But the machine is done and ready to use. You can do the 9.5, which is drinking, 9.0, which you can use to cook food. It adds a little salt solution. Use the 8.5 for the hot beverages. 7.0 is neutral, and it's best to take meds and baby bottles and things with the 7.0. The 6.0 you can use for use. You can wash your hair with the 6.0, and I used to use it as a toner. I kept a little small spray bottle that I would refill with the 6.0 hands. So while this was pricey, it is worth it because the water quality, to me honestly, I don't care where you are, you can stand to improve the quality of the water that you drink. It's all got chlorine, all that kind of stuff in it. But anyway, that is why I bought this. And she was not cheap, so I'm really glad I found this part to work with this because it was just sitting here. So that is the water machine. That's how it works. And I'm so glad I'm able to start using it again. Hey y'all, it's Thursday. I don't know if I'm gonna have anything else. I'm over myself. And it's just a reminder that I need to be better. Because they say, you know, what you do in your 20s is determine your health in your 30s and your 40s. 40s determine your 50s, 60s. I get what I'm saying. Y'all, I do not like remember what floor I parked on. I thought I knew, but I was thinking about the day. So, thought I was on the fourth floor, went to the fourth floor to the spot I thought I was in, it wasn't there. Like, I know my car's not totaled or anything, like, I'm on stage, like. So, I was like, maybe I was on the third floor. I got in the office earlier today. So, went to the third floor. It wasn't there. I was like, okay, maybe I was on the second floor. Second floor, it wasn't there. So let me remind you, I'm looking in the spot where I parked yesterday, not today. So I said, okay, I know I'm not on the first, and I know I'm not any higher than the fourth floor. And so went back to the third floor.